An audit of the organization that runs the Hamilton County Fairground and the fair itself reveals allegations of financial deficiencies, and the state auditor wants the money paid back. As Local 12's David Winter reports in our continuing Waste Watch series, the audit's timing is less than optimal as the fair opens this afternoon.
Of all days, today.
The auditor came out with his finding for recovery.
Yep.
When you saw that, what did you think?
We've been dealing with it ongoing for a while. It is absolutely heartbreaking.
Crystal Holthouse is president of the Hamilton County Agricultural Society, the entity that runs the fairgrounds and the Hamilton County Fair. The Ohio Auditor of State just released an audit of the Agricultural Society's books for 2022 and 2023. It revealed, among other things, material weakness in its financial reporting, understating income and overstating disbursements. And in purchasing, no receipts for things like a junket to the Fair Managers Convention. And the auditor found the treasurer of the society during that period, Tanya Eisner Elliott, made cash withdrawals of more than $13,000, paying herself and her son.
So, as a board member, how could the board have allowed these checks and balances not to be used?
The checks and balances were in place. Everything was in place, and we were getting paperwork every single month. Now that our eyes have been opened, we can see that paperwork, just because you have it, might not be correct.
So have you gone back to your former treasurer and said, what's up?
If you can get her to return a phone call, you'll have better luck than we have.
We tried by reaching out to Eisner Elliott via Facebook, but have not heard back. Auditor of State Keith Faber is recommending the Attorney General go after the Society's former treasurer personally for the money. The current president says she does not know whether there was malice here or just sloppy accounting.
So as the 2025 Hamilton County Fair begins, the people who run it are looking forward to attendance going up and the temperature, both with the weather and fiscally, goes down. This is David Winter reporting.
Cultural Society president says the board fired the former treasurer and her son earlier this year. There have been no allegations of criminal wrongdoing against them. The Agricultural Society president also says none of this will affect this year's fair, which opened just about an hour ago.
You can always get local stories right here on YouTube, but go ahead and hit that subscribe button to get notifications to stay in the know.